Good evening. This is the case of Yolanda Garlett versus Vincidor T. Garlett with GR number 193544, promulgated on August 2, 2017. Pertinent facts of the case. Petitioner and respondent eventually got married on March 4, 1994. After 7 years of marriage, they separated in 2001. On May 6, 2005, petitioner filed a petition for declaration of nullity of marriage on the ground of respondent's psychological incapacity to fulfill his essential marital obligations to petitioner and their children. Ms. Nemea Hermilea C. D. Guzman, the clinical psychologist, testified that the respondent is undoubtedly suffering from narcissistic type of personality disorder. The root cause of said disorder started in his early days, being the youngest favored son. Ms. De Guzman's report is anchored from the interview with petitioner and gathered information from the couple's relatives and neighbors. RTC granted the petition. However, CA reversed the decision on the ground that the psychological report failed to reveal that the personality traits of Vincidor were grave or serious enough to bring about an incapacity to assume the essential obligations of marriage. The court is confronted with an issue of whether or not the CA erred in reversing the RTC decision. The court's ruling: no. The court agrees with the Court of Appeals in declaring that the marriage of petitioner and respondent as subsisting and valid. The root cause of psychological incapacity must be A. Medically or clinically identified, B. Alleged in the complaint, C. Sufficiently proven by experts, and D. Clearly explained in the decision. The court finds herein that Ms. de Guzman's sources and methodology is severely lacking the requisite depth and comprehensiveness to judicially establish respondent's psychological incapacity. And that would be all. Thank you and good night.